If you wanna be an astronaut, you have to know chemistry. 10 things you need to be good at to become an astronaut. Many people want to be an astronaut when they're kids, but not a lot of people know how to become an astronaut. Here's my list of 10 things to do if you want to go to space. Number 1, you have to know biology so that you can do research in space. Number 2, you have to be good at chemistry. Did you know that a color of each star reflects elements that it's made from? Number 3, you have to be good at physics and engineering. This is so you can repair your spaceship when it breaks down. Number 4, you have to know math. Without math, it is impossible to be good at physics. Number 5, you have to graduate from a university. You have to have a master's degree in science. Number 6, you have to be at least 58.5 inches tall. Number 7, you have to be really strong. Just keep exercising and you'll be just fine. Number 8, you have to have good eyes. Spend as much time as possible looking away from your iPad or a computer and try to exercise your eyes. Number 9, you have to know how to fly a plane and have 1,000 hours experience as a pilot. Number 10, you always have to be kind to others and have a positive attitude. Thanks for watching and please check out my other videos.